Alright, so I'm basically going to start from stripping the back, tail lights. I might take off this tailgate, so I'm going to switch the bed out. You could spend a lot of time fixing it, but it's pretty dinged up, so I think it'd be easier to just get a different bed. Take all these out, take all the flares. Yeah, pretty much take all this stuff and then see about taking the bed off. Mud flaps. Yeah. Just an FYI, I've seen people cut the harness off the taillights. I mean, you don't have to cut it off. It just stays on the frame. It's not actually on the bed. So if you're ever taking off the bed, don't cut that harness. Just unplug it, taillights and the license plate lamps, and it should just hang here. You don't have to cut it. Already taken off most of the other stuff. Now I'm just gonna take off the lift gate, or tailgate, sorry. I still need to clean up this bed, even though I'm gonna get rid of it. I don't have any more. These are 17s. Okay, that one's alright. Are they 16s? Yeah, they might be 16s. Let's see. Oh. Standard. It's a little loose. Okay. Might just be because they're 12 points. Just loosen that one. These are 12s for sure. When you take off the tailgate, make sure you save this washer. It goes right in between, or else when you put it back on, it won't swivel. It'll be stuck. Also, when you're getting ready to take off the bed, make sure you take these three out. There's another one up there, right there. These three out. To connect it to the fuel tank right there. If you don't take them out, you're just gonna be pulling on it. It's not gonna come out. So make sure to take those out. All right, once you got all the stuff taken off and you're ready to take off the bed, there's two nuts right here, and then on this side. There's more right here. I don't know if you can see them. Some right there. Same thing with the other side. Same thing. Okay, let's move up a little bit. Okay, there's none up here. Okay, there's gonna be more up there though. Let me go around. Harness in the way. Okay. So one right here, my fuel door. You see it right there. And then one more right here, right by the end of the bed. So 4 on one side and 4 on the other side, and you should be able to take it off. Actually, one last thing I forgot to add in there. You have to take these bumper brackets off. I don't know if you can see it. The bracket, the bolts, they're right here, and they're in the way of the nuts. So, and there's a hole right here, and it's in the way though. So you have to take these off to take those nuts off. All right, got the bed off. Like I said, you got a point right here, one over here, another one over here, another one over here. And, here it is. I still gotta take off some things on it like these. Well, I'll take them off later. So, yeah, I think I'll just start stripping it from the back and then go forward. So I'll take off this spare tire, take off all this other stuff. This is what I was saying about the harness. You don't have to cut it. guys, this might be where I leave for today. I was gonna try to take off the rear axle, but I don't have any jack stands that are high enough for the frame, so I'll have to go buy some probably tomorrow. Took off the exhaust. I mean, I already had the catalytic converter off a while ago, so it was just from right here. Took it off right here. And I'm probably gonna have to get a new one. There's a hole in it over here, so I'm gonna have to get a new one of those. I'm just trying to see what else I could take off, but there's still fuel in that fuel tank, so I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with the fuel. So I can't just leave it lying around. And shoot, that might be it for today. I'm not sure. I'll see right now. Alright, so I was taking out the seats, center console. Yeah, I noticed that they drilled some holes to put these seats. They're very similar, but they're not the right seats for this truck. And then I was taking out this one, and there's a hole right here, so we're gonna have to patch that. I'm assuming there's gonna be more rust somewhere down here. Oh yeah, there was a little bit right here. I don't know if you see that. So there's probably gonna be some over there too. So yeah, just keep on stripping it and see what else we find. Alright, update. Got out a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna have to take this frame from the other truck I have right here. The previous owner had put a aftermarket stereo and they freaking chopped it all up, so I'm gonna have to get a bunch of stuff from the other truck. What else? I was looking around over here. It looks alright. I mean, obviously I'm gonna check my wire wheel, all of that, make sure there's no rust down there. But it looks alright. It's fine. There's a little bit over there, but I think we'll be okay with that. I'm going to order a new dash. They're going for like $300 on eBay right now, so I'm going to have to order one of those. Shoot, what else? This one does have AC, so I'm going to pull all this out, clean it up, and hopefully we get that working. What else? Yeah, if I do anything else, I'll update you guys. Alright, this is where I'm gonna leave it for this week. I just got the frame out, and I'm gonna try to label all. Well, these are kind of self-explanatory. These are for the instrument cluster. I mean, I can still label them if you want. The speedo, but I'll probably label some of this other stuff around here just to make sure I don't forget. And yeah, I'll continue this next week, or maybe throughout the week if I have time, and see how I take all this stuff off without messing any of it up. Yeah, they put some antenna stuff over here. I'm gonna take that out. I don't know what the. I'll eliminate all of this crap right here. It was all for the radio. Get rid of all that. Try to see if I can find these panels. These are busted. Same thing with those panels over there. They're both busted. See what I can do about that.